Greetings, Cosmic Defenders. Today, we embark on a crucial mission to explore the world of the Interplanetary Defense and Reaction Force, a force born to protect not only our solar system but our galaxy from the nefarious activities of the interplanetary corporate conglomerate and the enigmatic Dark Fleet. The Interplanetary Defense and Reaction Force, the IDRF, stands as a united front, a coalition of interstellar civilizations determined to safeguard our planet and our solar system from any negative invaders. In 1991, a disturbing turn of events saw the interplanetary corporate conglomerate, the ICC, and the Dark Fleet, who were seizing control of worlds throughout our galaxy and enslaving the races. Their quest for dominance posed a great threat to cosmic stability, leaving a trail behind of uncertainty and danger. As they extended their reach, the Interplanetary Defense and Force Reaction rose to the challenge, vowing to protect civilizations from being subjected to tyranny and oppression. In unity, the IDRF represents hope, a force driven by compassion and wisdom, standing as a beacon of light amidst the darkness that threatens our galaxy. Through interstellar cooperation with other advanced, benevolent civilizations, they are forging a cosmic defense network, ensuring that the galaxy's destiny remains firmly in the hands of its inhabitants. As we stand shoulder to shoulder with the Interplanetary Defense and Reaction Force, let us embrace our cosmic destiny, preserving a future where harmony prevails and tyranny is vanquished. My name is Ishmael Perez, your cosmic instructor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and order the copy or the audio version of our Cosmic Origin. Until next time, Seekers of Truth.